I don't even have to listen when I'm in this class. Because, I'm so cool like that.
You're right, girl. I wonder when Miss What's Her Name or whatever is coming back to class anyway.
Ugh, we spoke of the devil. Well, whatever. Here she comes.
Ew, why do we have to be in this?
You guys need to be quiet. You're the one who needs to be quiet, you old hag.
You're so bad.
Well, it's true and you can't say it's not. I'm just glad this class is about to be over.
You can say that again. So, what do you want to do after school today?
I don't know, maybe the mall, shopping, but we'll talk about it next hour with the awesome teacher. Sorry, old hag, but you're lame. I'll see you next hour.
Sounds good to me.